Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Netflix. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Netflix. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. Open the Netflix app on your device and tap Sign In. On the sign in page, enter your email address linked to your Netflix account and enter your password. If you forget your password, tap Forgot Password and reset it. When done, tap Sign In. And that's how you log into Netflix. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.